So, guys, welcome to the tips and tricks for the week. So, I want to talk about a vocal denoiser. Nevertheless, so we want to talk about Clarity VST. We have Clarity VST Pro and we have Clarity VST on its own also. So, Pro is like bands and the VST is just normal. So, we'll talk about the VST. Then next class we'll talk about the Pro. So let's get into it. So I record a vocal one, I don't know, just vocal stuff. Sure. Just check it. You will hear the fan noise.
ṣebí ẹ̀yin
Can you hear the fan?
lẹ́jọ́ wá
Oh.
ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá. I've been telling at the time you don't pick my calls. ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá.
So you might be in this kind of trouble when you're recording and noise, like maybe you went to shoot at Market Square and there's a lot of noise. This plugin is going to actually remove everything noise there. So let me show you really quick. They use it for cinema, Foley production also. Take out noise. For people that do broadcast on the main road, newscaster, they use this plugin. So this is the plugin here. The plugin is very, very good to remove ambient noise, environmental noise. Maybe somebody is washing clothes, using washing machine, or using grinder, all this electric grinder. So let me play the sample for you again.
ṣebí ẹ̀yin lẹ́jọ́ wá
Oh.
ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá. I've been telling at the time you don't pick my calls. ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá.
So it's very, very simple. You just need to turn down the knob and it works. So now let me turn it on. I'll do it gradually so you see how it works.
ṣebí ẹ̀yin lẹ́jọ́ wá
Oh.
ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá. I've been telling at the time you don't pick my calls. ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá.
So can you hear the noise now? You can't hear the noise anymore. So let me play again.
ṣebí
Can you hear the fan?
ẹ̀yin
You can't hear the fan.
lẹ́jọ́ wá
Oh.
ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá. I've been telling at the time
without
you
it.
don't pick my calls. ẹ̀yin ẹ̀kúnlé lẹ́jọ́ wá.
So guys, that's it. That's it there.